Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are doing great. Welcome to my channel. Today we learn how to change Bitmoji avatar style on Snapchat. So guys, this is very simple process. Everyone can do it very easily. So don't waste your time and let's get start the video. So guys, first we tap on Snapchat and tap on profile and tap on change outfit. You can see you can change everything your Bitmoji avatar. You can change dresses, you can change pants, you can change shoes, everything like this. You can see shoes, shoes, jackets, and you can see hairbands and all things. And I am change the crowns, hairbands. You can see this is winter, so I am select cap, winter cap, but I am want little bit change, so you can see I am select this. This is very cool, and you can see I am change the hairbands, and you can change everything, and you can change background also like this. You can see I am select this background because this is very cool and safe, and I am select here, so you can see much hairstyle in this avatar. So guys, I hope you like the video and this video is helpful for you. So please guys, subscribe my channel, like the video and leave the comment and below, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Take care, bye bye.